What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ruby. I'm back, man, with another reaction, man. Hey, man, today we got Mario Judah Big. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. If y'all hear this, some noise, it's my PS4, man. I just made a lot of noise, man. But yeah, let's go. I always wanted to watch this. I ain't never, I always seen it, but never clicked on it. I'm not even a weirdo, though. Oh yeah, I heard that this was Carti's song. He actually leaked it, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Wait, is that him or Carti? Cause I can hear it. Kind of sound like different a little bit. Why does it sound like a girl now? Yeah. But I don't know what he's saying. That boy cringe bad, but I don't care. Yeah. Yeah. Be hard, bro. I didn't know what he was saying the whole song, but it reminded me of Carti a little bit though. If it is Carti, that's not a net, cause it says his name. But I heard this was a leak. I'm not sure what it is. But yeah, I mean that was a cool little song. Had a little vibe to it, man. But I mean, it just reminded me of Carti. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all new, man. Turn on post notifications, do all that, man. I'm out.